creation needs some effort, destruction needs practically no effort. What requires the maximum amount of effort is maintenance. Is it not? Making a relationship, to start a relationship, peanuts. Comb your hair nicely. Have a Giorgio Armani glasses. Put a Your St. Laurel t-shirt. Wear a Levi's jeans. Wear Daewoo shoes. Have a Baume & Mercier on your hand. It is the most expensive watch on the planet, by the way. Have a Baume & Mercier on your wrist and walk with a presence, a charisma around on the Valentine's Day. Is it too hard? Everyone around will be, wow, he's cool, man. What's so hard? To start a relationship. This may take a while to ask something, but it's still not so hard. Still not so hard. Of course, every guy is looking for a perfect girl, and every girl is looking for a perfect guy. It's quite amazing. A perfect girl or a boy doesn't bother, doesn't shout, doesn't flirt, doesn't lie, doesn't cheat, and doesn't exist. What are we talking about? Just doesn't exist. हो जाएगा. It's not too hard. It'll start off. Creation is easy. Starting is easy. Some effort, थोड़ा impress करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा एक गाना सुनाना पड़ेगा, एक chord गिटार पे strum करना, हो गया. कौन सी बड़ी बात है? And breaking that relationship, not at all difficult. Difficult? No. Love at first sight, divorce at first fight. Simple. Will it take anything to break a relationship today? Simple little tiny things and the relationship is broken. Every second day a young guy will come crying to me. दिल तोड़ के गई हूँ. One guy came here. I was sitting in our ashram here and sitting on the lockers, and one guy comes, and some of our brahmacharis were also around Sunday morning. Started crying. And without asking for anything, he put his head on my lap. मैंने बोला नहीं रख इधर. Shoo, my dhoti got wet. I told him, first problem is our brahmacharis will think I bet you or something. तू रोना है ना, इधर रख के रो, इधर मत रो. And second thing, you're making my dhoti wet, man. Misunderstanding. Please save me from misunderstanding. And this guy is telling me, मेरा 2 साल, 2 years we were going around. Okay, she called another guy. I said, you find another one, no problem, we'll get so many other. But she's the one. I can't sleep. रात में उसके ही सपने आते हैं, उसका ही विचार आता है. माँ बोलती बेटा खोया खोया लगता है, क्या हो गया? It's common. Does it take time to break a relationship, friends? What needs a lot of effort is to maintain that relationship through the ups and downs of life, to the peaks and valleys of life, to the crests and troughs of life, to the highs and lows of life. It needs a lot of substance to one's character to be able to maintain that relationship, which in this century we just don't see. At a drop of a hat, relationships break. Whether it's friendships, whether it's affairs, whether it's marriage, at a drop of a hat, relationships break. Creation is easy. Destruction is easy. Maintenance, very difficult. Exercise, I'm sure all of you have experience of exercise. Starting, मैं जिम जाऊंगा, जिम. You see a Salman Khan, Amir Khan with 6-pack, and you have a family pack. You want to become like him? Look grand and smart. and with full enthu you go. And the coach says, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 9, bus, 6, 7, 8, bus. That's what this guy says. My God, starting so simple, stopping so simple. It's a Friday evening. Monday से शुरू करूंगा वापस. 2 दिन छुट्टी थोड़ा एक्सरसाइज के लिए. So simple, you know. But maintaining a regular schedule of yoga, aerobics, workout takes a lot, Baba. A lot. Studying. Simple. You see, anyone studying hard and coming first, मैं भी आऊंगा first. मैं कोई इतना गया गुजरूं, I'll also come. That day works. Starts. Goes on for 2 days, 3 days, 1 week. My God. Then exam comes. ऐसे भी कुछ होता नहीं, अपने से छोड़ गया. One guy went to the exam hall and the question paper was MCQs only, multiple choice question. तो उसको कुछ नहीं आता था. So he took out a 1 rupee coin from his pocket. Tossing. Head, take, tail, wrong. Head, take, tail, wrong. So he kept doing this. 5 मिनट में 1 घंटे का पेपर खत्म करके उसने हेड टेल करना है बस. उसमें क्या finished. And he didn't even leave the hall. Sat in the hall for 50 minutes. Last 5 मिनट बाकी था ना, फिर कॉइन निकाला और पैनिक ही टॉसिंग. So the supervisor is saying, रास्कल तेरा हो गया ना 5 मिनट में टॉसिंग करके कर दिया तू, और 50 मिनट बैठा लास्ट में बोला आंसर राइट है क्या रॉन्ग है देख रहा हूं. टॉसिंग दिस कॉइन टू सी व्हेदर द आंसर्स आर राइट. In MCQ, you can imagine. My goodness. I'll tell you, starting to study na, it's pretty simple. एक बार 4 विकेट डाउन होता है ना, to stop study, simple. हमारे लिए नहीं है ये पढ़ाई. Not meant for us. One guy failed his exam, came home. Father is asking, बेटा क्या हुआ रिजल्ट का? बोला प्रोफेसर का बेटा फेल हो गया. बोला यू नॉट, आई एम आस्किंग यू. सुनने, एक डॉक्टर का हम बेटा है ना हमारे लिए, वो भी फेल हो गया. इडियट, आई एम आस्किंग यू व्हाट हैपेंड टू योर रिजल्ट्स. लॉयर का बेटा भी फेल हो गया. नाउ फादर गेव अ टाइट स्लैप, व्हाट अबाउट यू मैन? ही सेड डॉक्टर का बेटा फेल हो गया, प्रोफेसर का बेटा फेल हो गया, लॉयर का बेटा फेल हो गया. आपके एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन है, आपका बेटा पास हो गया. My goodness, you can imagine these guys. Oh, to start something and to stop something is easy. To maintain, na, challenge.